You're welcome, sweetie. So now I've married these two together now. They are now one piece, okay? So what do? We close. We close the cap, okay? We will close the cap now. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the love. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate. So I have finished sewing. So now it's for me to close it. Okay? For me to close it. So we are going to close it now. You fold it into two and get your measurements, which I'm not going to tell you until you ask me. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you so much. So what part of Africa are you? Are you from? So I'm not going to give you the measurement until you request. If you ask me, I will give you. Okay? So if you ask me the measurement of the cap we are doing, I will give you. Okay? So we'll close it in a measurement. Okay? So ask me your question. Do you have any questions, Sarah? Do you have any questions? You're actually making a turban cap. This threading turban cap, this is what we are doing now. Okay? Okay. You don't have any question, no problem. We appreciate you, Sarah. Thank you so much. So now I have closed the cap. Okay? I have joined it and I have closed it. So now I will trim off the excess. Okay? I'll trim off the excess. Sorry, I need to connect this. I need to connect this to power. I need to connect my camera to power so that it didn't go off. Sorry, guys. Let me just connect it so that it won't go off. I need to power it. I believe it's charging. Okay. I believe it's charging. You're welcome. Please don't forget to like and share. And also subscribe to my channel. Let me wait a bit and see if it's charging. Okay.